We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing these Delta faucets. These are provided by the homeowner, widespread. Over here on the left side, we've got brand new shutoff valves. Those are quarter turn on, quarter turn off, hot and cold. Supplies are integrated into the faucet, so those aren't ours. We did go ahead and cut out the old Schedule 40 P-trap and put in the tubular P-trap here. So put the adapter on, tubular P-trap, tubular extension up to the tailpiece. So that's all tied in. Run lots of water down here, dry, and made sure everything was dry. I'd ask that you would monitor this area and make sure that nothing begins to weep or drip or spray or spurt or whatever. Anyways, keep an eye on this occasionally. Take a look at the bottom of your cabinet. Make sure we don't get any water down there. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out right away, take care of it. Over here on this side, same thing. This side had some half-inch IPS shutoff valves, multi-turn in. So we replaced those both with 3/8. And so those are same thing, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And so those are great. And again, a duplicate of the other side, tubular P-trap, tubular extension up to the tailpiece. So everything's looking good over here. Existing valve, we had the cartridge already installed during remodel. The rest of the house was online, so these Delta rough-in valves don't have a cartridge, so they mix the water. The whole house turns warm. You get about 90 degrees. So we went ahead and put the cartridge in at rough, so we didn't have to shut the water back down an additional time to get this trim set. So again, this trim provided by the homeowner. It's a nice looking trim. Everything went together real good. We did go ahead and get some silicone around the perimeter, about 270 degrees, top to bottom. In the event you get any water rolling down the wall, it doesn't get behind this plate. The plate does come with a foam gasket, but whenever you have a grout line, even how small it is, there's a chance water gets behind there. Anyways, so they're not finished in here yet. They got a glass enclosure to put in. We ran some water into a bucket before we put the shower head on, and then we ran some water into a bucket after we put the shower head on. So there's no dripping up there, no leaking. Everything's working fine. Outside of that, this installation is done.